Okay, so this is the first box I wanted to go through. When I was a kid, I was super addicted, like 15, 16. I was super addicted to all magazines, Red Book, Cosmo, you name it. I lived for Delia's. Sorry, my hands are awful and I always write on them. Just don't look at them. But I lived for Delia's and Alloy. I'd like to say all of my clothes came from here, but they didn't really offer like plus sizes. Most of them only went up to like a 13. And their 13 was not a real 13, but I lived for their accessories and I loved getting these catalogs in the mail. I always thought they had super cute stuff. The other thing I found in this box that I thought was kind of funny before we move on to all the old Cosmos and Vogues was this is my nutrition. This is probably why I was plus size. But my food pyramid was in here and my kids think it's hilarious. This was my food pyramid. This is what was handed out at our school. As you can see, it suggests that we have 11 servings of bread, and it be the staple of our diet. Times have definitely changed there, because that was not very good nutrition. And then I found my Always Changing a Booklet for Girls book, Changing Through Puberty. A lot of things have changed in here as well. As you can see, I did not fill out my calendars. So this is what I thought was really interesting. So these were the Cosmos that I grew up on. This one I believe is November 2001. But all of these are going to be from like 99, 2000, 2001, 2002. But Cosmopolitan, Be His Best Ever. Red Book, Sex, 10 Things Your Man Really Wants in Bed. Cosmo, Touch Him This Way. Cosmo, Make Him Crave You, The Look, The Giggle, The Grab. Red Book, Sexier Tricks He'll Love. Teen Prom, which actually has a lot of that stuff inside. If you want, I'll go through it later. Cosmo, 75 Sexy Ways to Thrill Your Man. And what I think is so funny is this is the current cover of Cosmo. I just think it's really awesome how far we've come. Look, 10 pounds thinner. All of these are very, very critical of women. I just think it's kind of awesome how far we've come. Let's see what else we have in here. In here we have all of my old Vogues. Most of these should be around the same time period, around 2000s, early 2000s. I love that all the fashion trends are coming back. Well, maybe not all of them, but Ben Stiller's newest fashion diva, that is definitely not current. But I still love Vogue. I've always loved Vogue. I don't think I'll ever not love Vogue. But that's pretty much all that is in here. Oh, this is kind of funny. So back in the day when you couldn't just text your friends at school, this is how we would pass notes. We would put them in books and then hand the books out that we didn't care about. So this is a Willie Namath book. And then it looks like we have a diary, which I'm not going to open because I don't know what's in it. Another diary, same thing, not going to open it because I don't know what's in it. Some CDs, a baseball card. I also collected everything. But thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more of what's inside the closet of doom and help motivate me to unpack it, feel free to subscribe and let me know which box you want me, or bag. I'm scared of those bags because I don't even know what they could have bagged up. But let me know what you would like to see next. Thanks.